For sure. So, John and I got a fridge. We're gonna do some shit with this fridge.
Cause guess what? We love y'all. Kinda hurt, I'll be honest. Oh.
That's real glass. Holy shit. I thought it was plastic.
Shit!
Oh, what we got there?
An art project?
You gonna tear it up?
Yeah. Unless you want it.
Hell no.
I just think it's moldy. Tell me this, huh? You in spooky season? What do you think it'd be? What do you think of an idea of using it as a sled?
Didn't it just hurt your arm?
Oh man. I'm gonna drag it behind my truck. Imagine going like 160 in a fridge.
I'd cry. Jesus Christ!
It's not at all what I meant to do.
You want yellow?
He is not with it, so we gotta pop out. Hey, fucking bitches, let's see what that mouth out. We finna air out the house now.
I saw her just rolling around and
His little sister
really?
where the fuck is she? I'm cooking dope in the kitchen. Swear to God, I'm on a mission. Keeping my distance.
Okay, bro, let's get it.
You back?
Oh yeah, no, we're safe. Fucking right here. Oh my God. All three of us.
Yeah. That's weird that we can do muscle ups. Drive to the start of the neighborhood and I guess just drop this guy off.
Please stay. Please.
Alright, first things first. Don't go yet. We're gonna back into this neighborhood, drop the fridge, tie it up, and then once I give a green light, Al's gonna go down that way, and then we'll go. Alright, you got it? Yeah. Keep pulling. Behind us?
Yeah.
Alright. This with you.
Thank you. Is it already recording?
Yes.
You want front or back?
I'll get back. We could be filming death right now.
Gosh, it's smoking.
That was scary as shit.
We kept getting so close to the curb. Could you see?
I felt so out of control.
Your face was
I was like,
Go this way.
I wanted to like grab a steering wheel, but there was no fucking steering wheel.
Yep.
It was smoking.
It stinks. Oh, this is scary.
All right, it should already be on.
Bright as hell. I don't know how to fix this filter on.
do me a favor, Cruz?
I thought we were just gonna hit the edge and go flying out.
Alright, should I turn around first and then I'll hop in? There's a person behind us!
Gotta let them go around.
Oh my god!
Okay, you can do it. Keep going.
All I can do is land on my face, so I'm finna race to the stars. I'ma just charge to the game, I'm aligning my ways, but I'm caging my heart. Demons keep throwing these darts and shit. I'm gonna need all my respect, I'ma stomp on their necks until others bitch rip. Trust me, I put that on God. I'm tryna heal all these scars. Yeah, damn, I'm tryna handle all these problems. Fucking nigga got.
Oh my god, that was amazing!
Did that last divot, like, that shit scared me. I was like, what is that black patch? And I saw you just... How was it?
That was fun.
It's sizzling.
Holy shit.
Alright, who's next?
I don't know if I want to.
Get back in. Yeah.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Don't die. Please don't die.
I tried. Huh?
Try and stand up.
Alright. If no one's coming, don't be afraid to put me in the middle. What was it like hitting the little yellow things?
It didn't feel like nothing.
Alright, bet.
Cruz, you getting back in?
Oh yeah, I'm a film.
Guys, I'm nervous. Second time in here, but, you know, things are getting heated up. Fuck. Why am I nervous?
You're living like Larry.
Oh, yeah?
Yo, talking cheap, I ain't talking too much. Told my jeweler I just ran it up. Shit get hot, then we going on a run. Smoking rush got me way past the sun. Took a trip, popped some bottles, had fun. I was fucking a bitch from Milan. He won't beat me, that boy like my son. Hey, legit.
God damn, it's smoky back there.
Holy fuck, that's so fun. Oh my gosh, that's fun. Who's next? Who's next? Oh my god. Holy shit. That's such an adrenaline rush. I got to the point where I was like shifting my shit.
I started doing that toward the ends of mine too.
You want to do what again?
Go down.
I keep a stick on me, nigga. No, I do not want your bitch. She can't get a kiss. I'm staying on top of you, niggas. Get the fuck off of my dick. You boys kinda fit. Don't do no talking with niggas. You talking, I will go off on you, niggas.
Cruz lost his hat. It's down the road. Holy shit.
Phil, I tried to get up to 50, but I don't know. I don't know if I did.
Felt like it. That shit was fun. Holy
yeah.
shit. W idea.
No, I've been stressing it this whole time. I'm glad it's working out. All right, you take me that way. I'll take Cruz this way, and then I'll take you back that way, so you can go down the big hill. What's up, guys? I don't need a damn helmet, nigga.
Shut the fuck up with the helmet. Hey everyone, I have Jai's camera now. This is gonna be fun. His camera does stuff mine can't do, like turn out like that.
What's up, motherfuckers? This GoPro angle better be sick. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is fun.
This is stupid.
All right, 2 more trips. All right, Cruz. There you go.
Please don't let me die.
You won't. I got you. Sean, don't let him die. You see him falling out, just fucking die.
Jump off and grab him. I got you, Cruz.
It's such a weird sight to fucking see.
Hey, nigga. Yeah, it's a big moment. By the time I take over, I need that new rover with 2 chauffeurs. You niggas been hopeless. I ain't changed, I've been growing. Pain in me, but I won't show it. Don't lie, just say what's the motion. Fuck that, I can't show emotion. We say broski, just keep toting. Drugging hard shit, I've been floating. That shit go on and on. This some shit, not no single alone. I'm chosen, this where I belong. They hating, bitch, my money long. My back with hitting like a bomb. They gon' know me, it won't be long.
Uber for Al?
So, you want to drive, Cruz, or you want to film?
I'll film. I don't want to put y'all's lives in my hands. Oh yeah, there was like pieces flying at me.
Fell off on the way down.
Hey, did you vote?
What?
Did you vote?
No.
Did you vote?
I voted.
Oh yeah? I voted for Kanye West for House of Senate.
I'm gonna be the governor of Georgia, 2024.
I know that they hate me, I don't really gotta ask though. Just walked out of Chase with 50 bands, I'm such an asshole. You freaky, never spend your money on a damn hoe, you leaking. Leave him at the bottom of the toilet bowl. I know that they hate me, I don't really gotta ask though. Just walked out of Chase with 50 bands, I'm such an asshole. You freaky, never spend your money on a damn hoe, you leaking. Leave him at the bottom of the toilet bowl. Choppers, nigga, I'm a robber, nigga. If I win, can I stop me?
Yeah. Yeah. We're calling it.
Don't kill me.
Okay.
I don't know how to focus this shit, honestly. That's it.
That's so much fun. The thing started tumbling.
The fucking circle thing.
This was fun. This was so much fun. I'm mad Alan didn't come.
He would have loved it.
He would have had a
He's
blast.
gonna watch the video and be like, damn.
The stew calls. That's true. Good video.
Well, we'll be able to do it again. He'll be here.
Yeah.
Whenever we go to Salt Lake City, we have to bring a fridge of some sort.
Okay. You never heard of Salt Lake City?
Push forward. Give me a sec. Damn, look at the bottom.
Whole entire metal part is literally gone. This used to be it right here.
Yeah, we did not have much left.
Holy shit.
Let me hit some real quick.
Gym every day.
Gym everywhere.
Anytime.
Anytime.
Any day.
Always.
Don't matter what it is.
Thank you, L. W lookout.
W lookout.
Shout out to Al.
Next time you gotta do it.
W brother.
I have a dumb idea.
Oh, I gotta get out of the grass.
Oh shit.
Oh, really?
No casualties.
Casualty.
That's a new record.
All right, let's replace this mirror.
Oh. Okay. What's up?
Imagine we needed that.
Are we just gonna leave those pieces on the side of the road?
Gonna ride back at some point and try to find it.
Did the part for my motorcycle come yet?
You wanna help me carry this to the backyard?
You gotta carry it. At the perfect time.
Mr. Flo.
I'm about to try to put the starter in there.
New starter, new starter.
I'll be right here helping him out. And then after that, we about to go editing on it. Yesterday we had a bonfire, but we put up some lights. Vlogging. Call him tonight on the bike. I'm about to
You
go
look
edit.
high as fuck. You said you about to go edit?
What time is it?
It's only 9.